Hi guys, this is SMK Tech here. I'll unbox this JBL A500 HI car speaker and have a sound test in the end of this video. So let's begin. Friends, let's begin the sound test and plug earphone and watch the sound test. So let's enjoy. So friends, if you like the sound of the speaker, please hit the like button, subscribe button, notification button, and don't forget to comment and listen what I'm going to say now. Also, rather than this, I want to tell you that this video is not for kids and we should take prevention from coronavirus entering our country. We should wash our hands properly and wear a proper face mask. Thank you.